At You Do the Maths, we like applying our mathematics to various things, particularly sport, and we're passionate about Australian football. So in this video, we're going to have a look at the scoring system involved in the AFL, which is the Australian Football League. Now, each team attacks their own goals, and you'll see 4 posts at the end of the ground. That's how scoring occurs. But that only occurs when the ball crosses the line where the posts are. So just to give you an example, you can see in this diagram here that if the ball is not completely across the line, it's still regarded as in play. So you can have even part of the ball on the line, that's in play. It must be completely across the line. Once it does cross the line, the umpire in the field, called the field umpire, gives the all clear, and that means that the goal umpire standing between the posts can actually make a decision. Now, to clarify some definitions, the 2 large posts in the centre are called goal posts, and the 2 smaller posts at the left and right hand side are called behind posts. Now, for the ball to cross the line between the posts, players may dispose of the ball by hand or foot, and it might actually just be forced through or punched through by either team. But to score a goal, it must be a kick, and that kick must be from a player of the attacking team only. The definition of a kick is a ball that makes contact below the knee of a player, and it can be on either leg. So that must be the last contact for the ball to go through and achieve a goal. If contact is made with any other part of the body, it's deemed to be touched. So let's have a look at a goal in progress. If a ball is kicked and it passes between the goal posts, either by bouncing through on the full, it's awarded 1 goal, and that's worth 6 points. If the last contact was anything other than a kick of the player of the attacking team, then it's deemed to be touched, and that's worth 1 behind, which is equal to a point. A ball which passes between a goal post and a behind post is considered to be 1 behind, and that's also worth 1 point. Now, if the ball hits the goal post, and that might bounce back into the field of play, or it might just scrape it and carry on, that's deemed to be 1 behind, and that's equal to 1 point. If the ball hits the behind post, and it could bounce back into the field of play, or it might just scrape it, either way, that's deemed to be no score. Now, a typical scoreline in Australian football may look something like this: 12 goals, 13 behinds, 85 points. Now, the way that's determined is we know that each goal is worth 6 points. So we go 12 multiplied by 6 and add 13 points. Now, 12 sixes are 72, and if we add 13 to that, we get 85. So that's a typical scoreline, and that's how it's expressed in Australian football: the goals, then the behinds, and then the total score.